physics. Today we are going to discussing with Java basic programming data types. What is the data types? The data types in Java specify how memory store the values of the variable. Memory store in the value of the variable. This value of the variable can be stored in the memory. How? Which type? See, check it here. Which type means integer type. The bill is a variable and the data type of the variable is integer type. Okay, so different types of data types is there. Two types of data types: primitive data type and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types: boolean, character, integer, float. Okay, boolean can be declared as boolean, character can be declared as char, integer can be declared as int, and inside int byte, short and long. This is also one type of data types. Float can be declared as float and double can be declared as double. This is a primitive data types. And now come to the non-primitive data types: array, class, interface, string, enum. These things are non-primitive data types. Okay, data types can be how default size, what is the range. So byte can be default value 0, byte size is 1 byte and 8 bit. That the range is 128, 127. In between only we need to declare the data types. Okay, now we can go to the practically. One by one we can go to the practical. Now I open the Eclipse, then go to the base Java basic package. Inside I need to create a class demo data types. Public static void and finish it. So created class. Okay, now I am going to declare byte. Now byte. Okay, byte default value is byte default value is 0. Byte default value equal to 0. So what is the range? Default range. What is the default range? Byte default range. Byte default is minus 128 to 127. So you can go and check it there. Byte default range is minus 128 to 127. In between only we need to declare the value. Byte is a data type range. Okay. Otherwise value can declare anything equal to. So okay, I can initialize the variable with byte. Okay. The value is 0. Initially I can declare the 0. System dot out dot println. Okay, value. Now I can run this one. So run Java application. Run Java application. It will run. See, here is 0. So at the same time I can give to the 127. Okay, 127. The by default range is up to minus 128 to 127. So I can run it here. So when I run this one, see, is okay, fine. 127 is fine. If I give the 128, no, it will not run. See, we are getting the error here. See, check it here. Type match cannot convert to the byte. Byte, this value cannot be converted. So the default value is byte 0. byte range is minus 128 to 127. Okay, byte. Now we can go to the another byte short. Short is the default value is 0 and default size is 2 byte or 16 bit minus 132 768 to 32 767. So here is I can create the short. Okay, byte short default value is 0 and short default value is 0 and range is from minus 32 to 32 767 only. Okay, there is a range. Okay, so I can create the short data type. Okay, for example, temperature. I declare the temperature here. Then temperature equal to minus 768 minus 3276 temperature. Okay, fine. Now I am declaring minus 32 70. This is the temperature value. Value can be stored in the variable. So I'm going to declaring the print the value here. Now I print the value temperature. Check it here how it is coming. Minus 32 70. Suppose if you change the value 4 here, it will not work. Check it here. See, cannot convert the into the short. This is the value cannot convert to the that is the range is exceeded here, so it will not convert. Now we are clear into byte and short. Okay, if you have any doubt, just a comment. I can reply to you. Okay, now I am going to byte short is completed. Then integer value int value. The range is integer value range is int value range is the default. What is the default value int default value also 0. Default value is 0 and the data type value is 2 to the power of 31 to 32 bit and it is has convert. What is the convert 32 bit 4 bytes and 32 bit. The range is it's a very big 2 to the power of 31. You can calculate to there. Okay, so I can give the here into range equal to 4 to 500,000. Now the range is system dot out dot println range. Okay, range. Now we can system dot println range. Okay, now I am going to run this one. See, check it here. Okay, check it here. Range is displayed. This is the range. Now we are going to discussing with int short byte short int is completed. Now long is default value is 0, 8 bytes and 64 bit. Okay, long is long. Okay, long, what is the default value, and long. Okay, long is end default value is 0, default value 0, and end with default value 0, end with must be declared long. Long end with must be declare L. Okay, now going to discuss long. Long range equal to long range equal to okay, long range equal to minus minus 30, otherwise you can declare some other thing long. Okay, some other value, anything. Okay, now I am going to declare with long different thing. Okay, okay, long is 1 2 3 4 6 7 5 2 3 1 2. Okay, and with long. Okay, long range, already declared the range, so I can declare long num. Okay, long num. So end with L. So system dot out dot println. Okay, long num. Okay, long. Now if you run this one, check it here, run as Java application. See, long number, long number. Okay, now byte is completed, short is completed, integer completed, long is completed, float is default value 0, like this only we can declare it. See, end with F. Okay, 4 bytes 32-bit, this is the range, 1.48 minus 0452, this is the range. Okay, so we can go to declare with float. What is the float value? Float value I can going to declare float. See, float here. So float is a floating point data type that store the values including the decimal precision. Okay, float is floating point data type, floating point data type that store the value, values including store the value including their decimal precision. Okay, like decimal precision at end with and F or F. Okay, so default value is 0. Default value is 0. Default value 0. Okay, so floating value syntax is float variable. This is the syntax. Okay, now I can go into declare float value. equal to, suppose f num equal to 65 65.2029 8 f, end of the f you must be declared. So system dot out dot println now num. So now I can run this one. Java application. See, 60 f will not come here. So floating end with f need to declare. So 65.20298 it will come. Okay. Now double is double. But double is a similar to float. Double data type is similar to float. So the difference is two. The double is twice the float. In the case decimal. Twice the float in the case decimal precision. Okay. It is used to decimal value just like a float. Should not be used precision value here. Should not be used precision value. So double is default value. Double default value is 0. Double default value is 0.0 d. This is the 0.0. This is the default value. Okay. It can have a 15 digit decimal precision. Okay. And the float is 17 decimal. 7 have 7 only. Float is 7 only. 7 digit precision. Okay. Now you are clear float and double. Now if you have any doubt, please comment box, comment section, give the comment. Okay. Now double syntax is double variable. This is the syntax. Now double number 2 equal to 876.765. Okay, so double I can run this one. Now if you don't want to d, you can declare this way. Okay, d. So double is declare the, this is the way you can declare it. Now system dot out dot println number 2. So if you run this one, check it here. 876 7.5 765. Double is is completed, byte is completed, short is completed, integer is completed, long is completed, float is completed, double also completed. Okay, now character boolean remaining printing. character char. Char is it is a char. Char it is a character. Character the char data type. Char data type store single character. A single character. Character data type can be stored single character. It is lowercase. It store lowercase and uppercase. Lowercase uppercase letters. Okay, lowercase either uppercase must be enclosed with enclosed with with single quotation. Must be enclosed with single quotation. Check it here. Now char variable 1 equal to a, char variable 2 equal to b. So system.out.println variable a and variable 2. Now we can run it. Both are will. Whereas you can do the errors, small letters, capital letters, lowercase and uppercase. It will be applicable. Must be single quotation. Sorry, single quotation. Character must be single quotation. It will not applicable double quotation. Single quotation. Okay. Now, if you run this one, see A and D. See. So now here byte is short and int, long, float, double, characters completed. Boolean. Last thing is boolean. Boolean is either true or false. A boolean is data type can store either true or false. True or false. Either true or false. They can use to check whether two values equal or not. Basically condition true or false. Okay, see the default value is basically boolean value, boolean data type, boolean value, default value is false. Default boolean value is false. Okay, fine. Now we can go to check it. Boolean where 1 or else 3 equal to boolean is a data type where 3 is variable. So true. Okay, if condition wise we can check it here. If var 3 equal to true. Okay, here checks if the value is true or false. Here is I can check it, the value is true or false. So now system.out.println system.out.println boolean value is true, else boolean value is false. Okay, boolean value is false. So this is the guys data types. Please go through this video till end. Please, if you are not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. So if you have any doubt in this session, please comment box comment here. I can reply to you. Okay, thank you.